Easy Learn 360. Today, as part of the first beginner series on Python, let's see how we can set up our local environment to run Python programs. To first, to firstly get the environment set up, we may have to go to the terminal and see if Python is already installed on your machine. And if you're using a Mac machine, Python will already be installed, but on Windows it won't be. So I'm using a Mac machine, so first I will go to the Mac terminal, and then I would type in Python and see. If you can see here, it's already installed. A Python 2.7 is already included in the Mac machine, but this is a older version, and to get the latest version we may have to go to the Python website, to the downloads page, and get the latest version of Python. So let's go to the downloads page, and we can get it downloaded from here for the Mac OS. If you're using Windows, we can click on this link, navigate there, and download Python from there. And once we have successfully downloaded and installed on our machine, we may have to go back to the terminal and type in Python 3. As you can see here, I have the latest version of Python, which is Python 3.8.1. And if you're using a Windows machine, then you can go to once you have successfully installed it, you can navigate to the terminal and issue this command, Python __ version. It would give you it would show something like this. I mean, Python, it would show up a similar message as Python 3.8.1. And if you see this message, it means that you have successfully set up your local environment for running Python programs.